Little update on the Metro. The interior's in. Moving slow. I got new CV shafts in. Just, they had ripped boots. It wasn't worth screwing with. Simple. Do the driver's side first before you do the passenger side on those. It makes it tons easier. Okay. Like I'm saying, the interior's in. I put the seat all the way back. It's not, it's far back as I can go. And also as far back as it can go this way. Like here. I am 5'9", all the way back, tippy toes all the way up to front. So, yeah, it is what it is. Lots of room. Even you can go back, of course, if you don't do the whole tippy toes thing. But considering it's a compact car, yeah, it's good enough. And really, you might have another 3 or 4 inches you can go back. Not worth messing with it. And the big deal there was it keeps somebody's head from hitting this bar. If they, it ain't gonna help their neck, but it's gonna keep their head from going that way. If it does move and whatever, it shouldn't even be possible. But there's no way, absolutely no way to hit this bar, or this bar, or this bar. I kind of planned it like that in my head, thinking it would work out, and it worked out. But because I had these things that normally swing in here, they are no longer going to swing in here, not enough to put the top down. So I had to figure something out. Oh, okay, try again. All right, so can I do it without it locking? Okay, take this out. It's gonna be tight, but it will work with the top up, but it's still gonna be tight. Okay, sit there, don't go all the way up to the front. And all I did was, these sit on this little tab thingy here. They sit in there and they should kind of tuck in there. Once I get the top on, it'll push these up and tighten it down more. But that's all it is. And all I did was I used these 2 bolts, which you can't see, and a little piece of whatever the heck it is called, strapping, ductwork strapping, something like that. Threw it in there, bolted it down, if I can get it. Okay, and like I'm saying, cheap, effective, lightweight. I could have made something, but whatever, that works. So yeah, I do got to get the bumper thingies to go in here correctly, but whatever, it'll work. Come back. Hang on a second. Boop. So yeah, simple, effective. That's got to come up more. Like I'm saying, once I get the top up, it'll suck these in where they need to be. It's just, I don't have the top. I gotta drew out this grommet. This grommet came, or this thing came off. I should have done that anyway. This needs to come out. Simple as that. So yeah, the top's next. This is what it is. Cheap, effective. It works, like I'm saying. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. Little update.